Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Delightful Day, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Delightful Day, and we're going to be using the Wishing You a Delightful Birthday, because who doesn't need more birthday cards, right? Okay, so I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and I have my Starburst punch, and I'm just going to push it up to the highest that I can and punch that out. And then we're going to do our stamping on the Starburst, and I have Rococo Rose, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I have our stamp mounted on clear block D. So just like that. All right, and then I'm going to come in with my 2 1/4 circle punch. Pop that out, and that is the Rococo Rose as well. And it's just going to make a little bitty layer like that. Okay, so our card base is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to take my snail adhesive, and we're going to put down our Very Vanilla. All right, so just like that. And then I have my 2019 to 2021 designer series paper, and I have the piece that is like gingham, and that is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Yep, I should not put that down all the way yet. Let's see if I can just pull this up a little bit. All right, we're going to put some lace there. So I have the scalloped lace trim, and I'm just going to cut it enough to where we can put it over here in the back. Okay, let's try this one more time. All right, so just like that. All right, and then I'm going to take my snail and put it on the back. I want to make sure it's straight. All right, before we press it down. And let's see, I'm going to pop it up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So just like that, and then I'm going to come in with my 2019 to 2021 in color faceted dots. Excuse me. And I have my pick a tool, and I'm just going to use these smaller ones to kind of highlight. All right, so just like that, a quick and simple birthday card. If you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!